Smart has just officially announced in their press release that the Smart #2 prototype concept car will make its global debut at the Beijing Auto Show in April 2026. This highly anticipated model marks Smart's bold return to the iconic two-door, two-seat layout that made the brand famous. As the true successor to the legendary Smart Fortwo, the #2 revives the spirit of ultra-compact urban mobility that Smart pioneered nearly 30 years ago and sets a bold new benchmark for the city car segment. Styled by the talented Mercedes-Benz design team, the Smart #2 features a fresh, modern take on the brand's signature proportions and character. It's built on Smart's all-new proprietary ECA architecture, the electric compact architecture, specially developed by the brand's in-house R&D team for next-generation ultra-compact electric vehicles. This dedicated platform enables cutting-edge EV performance, enhanced safety features, and an agile, fun-to-drive experience perfectly tailored to tight city streets. With production version planned for launch later in 2026 in China, Europe, and select global markets, the Smart #2 signals that the Smart brand is firmly accelerating its return to what it does best, redefining compact, clever, and charismatic urban electric driving. Stay tuned. This one is going to turn heads. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.